So it's day 3. Well, day 4 really, but yesterday Wicks I had to go. Spent six hours working out what materials I need for this renovation and purchasing them. 500 odd quid. Anyway, today I'm going to be removing this radiator. We're going to have another radiator there, but I've got to adjust the feeds, hot and cold. This wall needs to come down. So, the radiator needs to come off, so I'm draining down at the moment. And once that radiator's off, knock this wall down, rest of the wall, and then I've got to bury the pipes, 22mm copper pipes, which run downstairs I think, and adjust all these feeds because the bath is going here. Hold you tight. So board up, I'm going to cap these feeds off for the heating, and I'm going to reinforce the floor because this is where the bath's going. So I put some 8mm ply down there, sorted out in the noggins. I've got to clean all the floorboards, plasterboards. I've got to put new noggins all the way down in the middle to strengthen it, ready for the bath. Hold it tight. So floorboards aren't in good condition. I'm going to add some noggins along there. Put a new bit of floorboard down there. The existing 18mm is okay for there, as long as I put noggins in. So that's the plan now, Stan. To remove the radiator, you undo the plugs, undo these screws, undo here and here on the ISO ventilation valves, and then it will come off. Make sure it's fully drained down or you'll have a flood. So I put the floor down temporary, it's all reinforced. Now onto the radiator tails. So I've got to get them drained down. I've drained down, sorry. I've got to refill the system later, and I just need to get these capped off and lift the floorboard so I've got access to it when I put the radiator on after it's tiled. So that's the plan, lift these floorboards. So both radiators off, got to get rid of these tiles, got to get rid of this wall, and this radiator's off. I'm just going to sort the tails out now. These are going to be blanked off onto the floor. So got this off. Luckily the previous plumber drew, which is what I do, all the joists, all the pipes, so you know where they are. So easy. So this is where the new radiator's going. So for now I'm gonna use isolation valves, both sides, just temporary. You don't use isolation valves on heating. And then I will be able to carry on, refill our heating systems. We've got heat for tonight, and then when I get close to fitting the radiator, which will be after the tiling, I will pull the cover back off and work out the centres for the radiator we just bought. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm going to cut the pipe and then put this on. Always use Waterhawk or joint compound, otherwise it will squeak as it does up and they'll leak in the future. Okay, dusty work. So we need that up to about 3 bar. So it's filling now. Always worry I leave a radiator valve open or the stop ends I put on don't work, but it seems to be working. Oh. So the boiler is perfect, halfway up on that. If you scroll through, you can see it's probably about 2.5 bar. So perfect. Day 3.5 completed. Tomorrow, Saturday, day 4, we will be getting the rubbish collected with the skip, 4-yard skip, all the plasterboard, and I'll be doing probably bonding out the ceiling, getting that ready for plaster. Hold tight.